Bismillah, elhamdülillah, ve salatu ve selamu ala Resulillah, amma ba'd, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Dear Muslims, our religion consists of three parts: Islam, Iman, and Ihsan. The word Islam means to follow all that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came. It has 5 pillars which Muslims are obliged to perform. Shahada, declaration of faith; Salah, prayer 5 times a day; Zakat, giving a fixed proportion to charity; Saum, fasting during the month of Ramadan; Hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca. The word Iman means to believe in everything that the Prophet ﷺ brought. It includes the following 6 basic beliefs: belief in Allah as one and only God, belief in angels, belief in the holy books, belief in the prophets, belief in the day of judgment, belief in predestination, good or bad, that this happens according to the will of Allah. Ihsan is the 3rd element of the religion Islam, and it is defined as being to worship Allah as if you could see Him. For though you don't see Him, He sees you. Ihsan implies an active and constant awareness of the presence of Allah. To make religion complete, all these 3 basics are impossible to imagine without each other. May Allah me and you strength to follow what was said. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.